What's up, crypto heads? Hope all is well for you today. When it comes to pattern recognition, it can really help you. Now, I don't know if this is going to break up or down, but I do think it's coming soon. What pattern am I talking about on here? Now, on a line chart like Robinhood uses, that's where I first spotted it on Robinhood. So if we go to a line, I haven't looked at it yet, the line chart here on Phoenix. Can you see a pattern developing? I guess it's not a whole lot easier there. But if you use the Robinhood app, they use that line chart, and it's the 5-minute line chart. So now this is the hourly chart here. Let's go back to candles. Can you see a pattern though? Can you see a pattern? What am I talking about? See this right here? Oops, it brought my drawings back in. There it is. See that? It's kind of a symmetrical triangle. Now this one's not perfect. I can't get one single line to match up, but it's clearly there. So I've drawn in a bunch of triangles here, and there's not anything perfect, but it's there, right? That's that pattern. You can see it, right? Let's zoom out. See that triangle? It's a symmetrical triangle type. Once you start being able to see this kind of stuff, to the untrained eye, it's not obvious. But when you start watching this, and someone points it out to you, is the main thing. So if you're new out there, check this out. Boom. Zoom in on this guy. This is a big consolidation pattern, right? And it's getting tighter and tighter and tighter. See, it's coming to the point of a triangle. With this specific pattern right here, right now, there's not really one triangle to watch, but it's definitely a pattern, a symmetrical pattern that's going to pop. The target on this is go over to here to the left and measure this initial push, say from 100,000 to 109. That's about a 9,000. You could call it about an 8 or 9,000, depending on where you want to, what trend line you want to use. $7,000, $8,000, $9,000 target. So if this pops up, you could be looking at a new alt. Now the target doesn't have to be hit, but say it pops out here from 105. You're looking at 114, and that, see how that lines up with that purple Fibonacci horizontal line up there? That would line up with that, which is interesting. Now, what if it pops down, breaks down from, say, 103? You could be looking at 95,000 pretty quick. There's this trend line here coming down from left to right, descending from the previous range at about 96,500. That'd be something to watch. See how you do that? That trend line coming down there. Watch for possible bounce. If it breaks down, this could be coming down to 89. My macro analysis is not going to be popular. It is interesting how the upside there correlates with the next Fibonacci level up at around 114,000. That's worth noting. Now let's go to the daily chart. I'm going to go back to this triangle in the video, but I want to show you this. My macro analysis on the daily chart, folks. This could be coming down. Whatever happens here, this could very easily come back down to about 73,000. The Fibonacci level down here from the top of the previous range. Now you think, well, that's not going to happen. Well, in the previous range back here on the left, it came all the way down here. See that? It came all the way down here to this. And I was warning people the whole time. I was warning people that's probably going to happen. That's probably going to happen. That's probably going to happen. Be prepared for it. Be prepared for it. You know what? I got liquidated there because I made an error. I calculated wrong. I wasn't aware of how Phoenix calculates their hedge mode, long and short positions when you change leverage, but I don't want to get into that again. But on the daily chart, and another thing I want to show you is I talk about on my channel, one pattern is the rapid pushes, right? And it's not just that Fibonacci line. It's see where this here? See where this rapid push charted on the daily chart? Boom, right? That's also here. Right? That's two different things that I can see that line up good. And so watch out for the dive down to 73. Now, if that happens, you would want to buy. Now, if that happens, that would be extremely rapid. If it came down here, if it did, it'd be a wick and it'd go bam, it'd be bought right back up. It'd probably be back up to 94,000 in the same day. Next day, right? Real quick. All right, I went down a rabbit hole. I just wanted to talk about this triangle. What I want to do is I want to highlight, given this price, where it's at right now. It's coming to the tip of a triangle. You can tell. What I want to do is I just want to change the color on, say, a triangle. I probably like the best here. You know, something like, I mean, I don't. It's not. I just want to highlight it for you. Let's see. This one here is probably pretty good. Let's change him to yellow, and then most of the time when this pattern pops up, there'll be a clear cut line of resistance and support. But this one's kind of different. But it's there. I assure you, it is there. Kind of like this one. Oops, let me extend him up there further. Kind of like that. I also like maybe this one. That one, from my experience, that one. I just thought it'd be kind of cool to show you that. See that yellow triangle in there? That's pretty good. And why am I making a video right now? I was going to make this yesterday, but why am I making it now? It is tightened up. It is tightened up, and there's a pop coming. It's a pop coming. It's a pop coming. Here it comes. All right. Have a good day. Later.